What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how me and a buddy of mine grew an Instagram account to, well, we actually grew it to 16,000 people, but we grew just in the last 13 days over 10,000 real followers, and I'm going to outline what we did. But just a bit of a disclaimer that I did not do this myself. I outsourced this to someone I know, to someone that knows how to do this properly. I just simply don't have time to do this sort of stuff. So I'm going to take you through what he did and how he got this account and why we're building this account to lots of followers. And the real reason is because it makes good money. And I'll explain the money and stuff at the end of this video, so stay tuned, because a lot of people get it all wrong and they try and make money the wrong way with their Instagram, all right? So as you can see here, we'll jump into some stats right now. So actually in the just today alone, Social Blade isn't working anymore, so we're using another stat thing where you sign up, log in, put in your account, and it signs in through your account. So today we went from 15,000 to 16,500, so we've gone up 1,500 today. The last week we have done, the last week we've gone from 11,000 to 16,000. The last month, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, yeah. So it's actually, the reason it hasn't done the last month is because I just started using this back at this date. So yeah, the last 13 days, or 13, 14 days, have gone from 4,000 to, well, 5,000 to 16,000. Before the 5,000, we were testing a lot of things, so it grew quite slowly. But yeah, as you can see, we had big days and low days. The low days we were testing a few things, but we've kind of got it locked down now. So we're getting up to between 1,000 to 3,000 a day, really depending on how viral our stuff goes, all right? So yeah, that's how we grow. This is the stats of this particular account. And a lot of people have been asking us, like in Facebook groups, how do people do this? How do people get to hundreds and thousands of followers now? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly how in this video. And here's the account, but I've blanked out some information, obviously, because we want to keep this. Some people do know about this, but we don't want to get spammed with any garbage. So 30,000 profile views in the last 7 days, which is a little bit lower than we wanted. We are going to get that up a bit, but we just had some issues. But I'll talk about that in the end of this video, because that's how you make all of the money. Now, and then here's some stats. Oh, sorry, we went back to the other one. Here's some stats of the particular videos that we did. So explore page, 100,000 there. We're getting website clicks, which don't really matter. Profile visits, that's what we really want. Profile visits, 1,900. Interactions, like heaps of comments, heaps of likes, heaps of views, heaps of saves, right? So these are just cranking along nicely, and stuff like this is what's getting us the followers. So how did my mate do this, I should say? I'm paying him to do this. I outsourced to him, and it's his job. He does this every day. So first of all, you have to understand the algorithm. He's told me everything he does. First of all, the only way to get lots of followers and to go viral is to get on the explore page. You have to get on the explore page, or you're not going to get a bunch of followers and likes and views, okay? And you want to get lots of engagement. The algorithm works on engagement. There's lots of other factors, but engagement is one of the main ones. So likes, comments, saves, video views, and stuff like that. It's really important that engagement is really the key to all of this. That's why a small account's really hard for them to grow. And also, don't do so some of you guys probably see my I have 2 accounts. So I have the test account that I'm talking about right now. Then I have my personal brand account. My personal brand account, I use a bot on that. Follow, unfollow. Don't do that on an account that you're trying to grow virally, because if you do that, the health of your account goes down. All right? Only use follow, unfollow bots if you're doing it for a specific reason. On my personal brand, I'm doing that because it works for me. On my other account that we're making go viral, I'm not using any bots, okay? Because it's a bad idea. You want to either do one or the other. Now, video is really important, guys, okay? Instagram is loving video right now. If you go to the explore page, this is the one that a snapshot I just took. There's only, how many images? There's 1 image and 1 image pack here, and the rest are all video. video. Instagram is really going hardcore on video, especially since they just brought out Instagram TV, which is completely different to the Explore page, but they're really focusing on video. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Step number 1, you need to purchase what we call power likes and activate them on your profile, okay? So we get our power likes from a place called Fuelgram. So let me just get this down here. Fuelgram.com, and you go to power likes and you purchase power likes and you activate them on your profile. Now guys, this stuff isn't cheap. Don't think, hey, how can I grow my account for free? I think I pay like $3 per post, and we're posting 2 to 3 times a day. So expect to be spending about $10 a day if you want to post 3 times, right? The stuff we're not, if you want to get these secrets and grow big, we spend money to do this. I'm currently paying this guy over $2,000 per month to run my account, but I make that back easily within a few days. I'll tell you how. So for me, it's it makes sense economically for me to do that for my business because I make back that $2,000 pretty quickly. So you want to go to somewhere like Fuelgram and purchase what we call power likes, okay? This is what's going to cause the engagement to go up. Now you can also go into comment groups, but I don't do that. And you want to stay away from auto rounds. Auto rounds don't really work, okay? They're garbage. You want to be doing power likes, okay? Really important. First of all, you want to go and find some power likes and you want to activate them on your account. Step number 1. Step number 2, guys, is to go down. You want to install a repost app and find potential viral videos by going to the Explore page to see what's kind of going viral right now, or go and look at other people's profiles and see what's been viral in the past, and use good captions. And what I mean by good captions, guys, is actually use good captions. It says here, have you ever seen a turtle this big? Can anyone guess if this is real or fake? Sorry, the light was in my eye. Comment below. You want to get them to comment, okay? You have to get them to comment. If you don't, it's not going to go viral. This is one of the key steps to making this work. So we use power likes and we use really good videos and we use good captions. Now, you are allowed to repost videos on Instagram and images. You're allowed to do that. It's fair use. However, you should credit where you got that video from, so just put via and then put the profile that you got it from, okay? It's only fair that you do that. That's quite critical. Try find the original poster if you can. So that's what you've really got to do. Now, step number 3 is watch it grow, but archive if it doesn't go viral. This is where a lot of people seem to get a little bit blindsided. So you see all these massive accounts growing, but we archive the ones that don't go viral. So like, oh man, these guys must have some secret method. No, we archive the ones that don't work so you don't see that, right? If we don't see that a video has gone viral in 40 minutes, we archive it. We don't delete it. If you delete too much stuff in your profile, your Instagram profile health goes down. We archive it. So it looks like our profile is going super viral, but we've probably, for every one that we've posted, we might have archived 1 or 2, okay? So don't have this illusion that everyone's amazing on Instagram and everything's going viral. We do have ones that fail quite often, okay? So we just archive those ones and move on to another video, okay? That's why I pay someone to do this, guys, for me, because it's kind of like a full-time job. Like, there is a lot involved. That's really, a lot of people say, what's the secret, man? How do we get followers? How do we get Facebook likes? You put in work, dudes. You put in work, okay? This stuff doesn't come easy. That's why I pay, because I can make that money back. Now, the next thing is a secret source. This is the thing that really gets our videos to get millions of views. Now, you can use images, guys, but right now I would recommend videos because they just work. So the guy that does this for me contacts big pages in the DMs. He slides into the DMs and he asks them if he can be added to engagement groups, because Fuelgram's great, but there are actually groups out there that, because everyone's using Fuelgram, it kind of dilutes it, or saturates it. But if there is, some big pages will have secret groups. And when you get into those groups and you get these big pages liking your stuff, then you start to go mega viral. Now, I don't know anything about this, how to do this, so you have to jump into Google and Google how to do this stuff and find the groups, because I have no idea. I'm not an expert in any of that. I'm the expert in making money from the accounts. So what I want to talk about now is how you can make money from these accounts. This is where I come in. This is where my expertise come in. And I get a lot of, I've actually had quite a bit of hate this week. Some people found my profile and said, but Franklin, you're posting travel stuff. How do you monetize this? Because we're posting travel videos and kind of like weird viral videos. How do you monetize this? First of all, we don't go and just spam links in the video, spam links in the profile or anything like that, right? Number one, I want to build an email list. I started this workflow on the 26th of last month. It's now the 9th for me. So like, 2 weeks ago, already got 2,000 people on the email list. And what I'm going to be doing is selling them my products via the email list. I can sell them a $1,000 product, $2,000 product, a $500 product. I warm them up and I can sell them products, whether it be affiliate marketing products, my own products, it could be Shopify products. That's the key. So I don't really care what the face of the profile looks like. What I'm going to be doing, guys, okay, to make the money is concentrating on this, the retargeting list. I go to Facebook and I start a Facebook ad teaching them how to start a business, or what I do is I do a free video, okay? I actually just did one today. I do a 16-minute video. This is what I'm doing right now on how to create a business. Even though these guys have no idea about business, that we're posting travel videos, this video warms them up. There's no pitch, no link anywhere. Then this builds a retarget list of people who have watched 50% of the video. Then I pitch those people with my lead generation magnet, where I collect the email, a Facebook ad where I collect the email, right? So this is where everyone goes wrong. They concentrate on the face of the profile, although you can have a link. We do have a link on this one, but we're doing that to give away competitions. And actually, that's another thing, guys, to grow fast, do competitions if you can. But anyway, we are more concentrated on the retargeting list, okay? I have one that's 130,000 from comments and engagement. We have ones that are millions huge from video views, but those don't convert very well. We have the profile views. Those are the ones that convert well. And you can also sell via the story, which is what we do. Swipe up, go and put your email in. We give you some free training. That's where the money is. That's where the power is. If you heard of Ty Lopez, that's exactly how he built an empire. He actually used power likes. We know because we've seen him in our power like groups. He obviously pays someone to do it. But that's how you go out there and make money. Okay, guys? So how we built this account to millions and millions and millions of millions of people, millions of impressions, and thousands of followers, guys. 10,000 real followers in 13 days. We know these are real. We've been making money from these guys. We have collected a email list of 2,000 people in under 2 weeks. That's 1,000 people a week. And we're only just testing, guys. I'm going to be scaling this up to thousands upon thousands upon thousands of leads per week that are going to make me thousands of dollars, possibly even 7 figures if we get this going correctly, right? There's big money in this. Instagram is becoming huge, but you have to put in a little bit of work. Step one, you've got to purchase the power likes. That costs money, okay? Number two, you have to install the app. You have to find potential viral videos. That takes time. You have to do good captions. Third, you have to grow it and then archive it if it doesn't go viral. You're not going to get every single video go viral or image if you decide to use images, because that's not how it works. If that's how it worked, everyone would just be getting gazillions of followers, and we would be kind of like owning the algorithm. It doesn't work like that. Instagram still has the upper hand, okay? Plus, you're competing with all these other people that are trying to go viral as well. But the number one key right now is video. Video is everywhere. Look at this. Video. Okay? And when you get the 2,000-3,000 followers a day, it's because you end up in this section. This is the big boy stuff. When your video gets in this section, you get thousands of followers per day. We've seen profiles get up to, I think the guy that's growing my account knows someone that's getting 30,000 followers per week. Okay, so yeah, that's how you do it, guys. And then you want to monetize these accounts by growing an email list, by doing retargeting, Facebook retargeting ads. So you connect the Instagram as a business account to your business page or your business ad account on Facebook, and you do ads to the people that viewed your profile because they're cold. There's no point in trying to sell them on the profile page. No point at all. Zero. We tested it actually, and we sent people to this page, and we got no sales. Or if you want to do that, if you're really impatient, you can send traffic to a link and then do retargeting for people that visited that page. But I would highly recommend you warm them up by doing Facebook retargeting to this. Okay, guys, so that's how we grew the account. And just make sure you also try and go into engagement groups, because that's really what the secret sauce is. The Fuelgram does great, but to go mega viral and to get thousands of followers per day, you really want to get into those engagement groups. That's highly important in this case. All right, guys, that's it for this video. That's how you grow big Instagram accounts. There's no secret. Go out there and Google stuff, research stuff, read blogs, watch videos, absorb all the information, and start to implement this stuff yourself. I'll see you on the next video.